Hey everyone, this is Abby from backatsquarezero.com, and I'm here with another Thursday social media and blogging tip for you. Every Thursday on my blog, I post social media and blogging tips, tricks, and lots of awesome freebies. You can check out past ones by actually going to the social media section at the top of my blog or clicking on the resources page at the top of the blog. The resources page has all of the downloads, the checklists, the worksheets that I've given that you can download for free directly to your computer. But today I decided to do something a little different and to give you a video tutorial instead on how you can create eye-catching graphics. You can then use these graphics on your website or blog. They can then be pinned directly to Pinterest, and you can use them on your social media channels. And this is just going to make your brand stand out a lot more. It's going to make things look nicer and more professional. And the awesome part is, it's not hard to do. It's actually really simple. And with Canva.com, it's free. Canva.com has a free version that is amazing. I will also show you two of my favorite upgrades that the paid version gives you for the extra 10 bucks a month. But we'll talk about the free version and all the awesome things you can get. So we're going to go ahead and dive right in and get started with why Canva.com is awesome and how you can be using it to create these graphics for your blog, for Pinterest, and for social media channels. So once you hop on to Canva, you will see at the top, create a design. It will also have all of your past designs saved for you. This is an amazing tool because any designs I have ever made, any designs that you have ever made or uploaded are all going to be instantly saved to your account in one place. That way, if you want to, you can go click, go back and edit a design. So the first thing that's really going to help you on Canva is to create a design or a template. And I just want to show you that there are tons of options. There are tons of options for your social media posts. I use the Pinterest graphic a lot. There's also Instagram and Facebook sized. There are tons of options for your social media headers. You can redo your YouTube channel art, your Twitter header, your Facebook cover, all these things really easily. If you put ads on your blog, there are all the ad sizes here already for you. And I use my ebooks, my short ebooks come from here with the US letter size. So in my blog posts, I use the Pinterest graphic size, perfect for repinnable to Pinterest. So I could click on this. If this is your first time using Canva, the most important thing to do is to make a template that you can come back to and fix up every time. That way, your basic design is going to look the same, but you can add and take away elements. So when we're working with our Canva, we have all of these pre-made gorgeous templates that we can just alter until they fit what we want. And they're just absolutely beautiful things that you could scroll through forever to pick, to choose, to try and figure out. This is a really popular one with some social media posts where people put one text at the top, the other text at the bottom, and change the colors to the colors that fit in their things. And stuff. If I didn't want blue or gray, they can change and alter these. So this is a really popular, simple one that people use a lot to put their blog titles up here, extra information down here, and to alter the colors. Let's say I am a blogger who shares mostly recipes. I think this one is absolutely gorgeous, so I would drag it over, and then I can simply change this. And I can pick whatever recipe I had created. And I could type that in. Everyone is all about pumpkin spice everything right now. We'll just go with that. So say I'd made pumpkin spice muffins. I can alter the sizing and things to fit. I can pick from a billion different fonts, the one that fits my blog, my Pinterest channel, the look that I want the best, something that I think is nice and classy. I can alter the colors to fit. Say that my blog is mostly done in greens and blues. I could go with like a sage green type color. Take it down a little and alter these. It's also wonderful if you know the color code of your color. You can delete it and put it in there so you have an exact matching color code. So say I want that. And then I can go to uploads and I can upload my picture, whatever picture I want. That is my pumpkin spice picture, to put it directly in here. Or if I didn't have my own picture, I could search Canva for their millions and millions of pictures that come up. Most of their pictures are paid for $1, so you do want to use your own pictures unless you're willing to pay that extra buck for all of their different picture options. And I could pick one of their picture options to drop in and expand to fit. So when I put their picture in, it is going to say Canva on it until I download it and purchase and pay. So here's my pumpkin spice recipe picture. So I have this all set. If I hit download, I have the option of downloading it for the web, which is what I want for blog, for Pinterest. I have the option of making PDFs, which is amazing for files. Everything's all set. The great thing is that it's also going to save this in my Canva. It's going to save these images so that when I go back, it's still there. So I'll have everything that I have created, everything that I have worked on. So when I go back into Canva, and I hit go from layouts, which were the layouts we looked at before, I checked that Pinterest graphic, I go to my designs, and look, here's my design I used. Now I have a template. I can use this template so that every time I make a post, I can just put in the new title. Citrus scallops. And then I can add my new picture that I hopefully am going to, remember you can upload from your blog your own picture of your recipe, your own picture of your product, your own picture of whatever you've done, or you can, of course, use Canva's options and search for theirs and find their options and then look through and pick one that fits what you like, what you want, and drag and drop. Ta-da! And now I can download it. Remember, when you download it, that Canva is going to disappear. You click the download button, image for web, and you can download it right directly to your computer. So Canva is going to really change the way you create these beautiful, amazing graphics for your blog or website that can then go directly onto Pinterest and then then go onto your social media channels. So why, and my favorite is that it saves it all, right there for you. If I go to layouts, there's all of Canva's layouts that I can select from. But then there's all of your things. So you can save your templates and just drag and drop and reuse those same ones again and again. So this is the basic Canva. Why then would you want to pay for the $10 upgrade? Well, there's two reasons why I broke down and got the $10 Canva for Work upgrade. It's 10 extra bucks a month. And I'll tell you the two reasons why. First is it gives you a brand board. You get to create your own brand kit that has your brand colors saved, your brand fonts saved, and your brand logos saved. Well, why is that essential? If I want to create other images, things that aren't the exact same as this scalps. Say I want to go and I want to create let's pick a different one, a Facebook post. They have, again, all the Canva Facebook layouts already made here. And then it will save any designs I've already done. And I can drag and alter and switch, But the thing that I love about, though, for work, the more pro version for that extra 10 bucks a month, is when I click this color, these are all of my, right here with that green, these are my brand colors. So I don't have to remember exactly what color it is. I don't have to dig through this color wheel and try to find them. I don't have to type in the color numbers. These are my saved brand colors. These are the colors that are on my blog, on my social media, everywhere, so that I can use them. So they're my colors. The other thing I love about it is when I would go to the text part with that brand thing, with my own brand kit, at the very top, I have the options that are on my blog, saved at the top above everything else. So I don't have to remember the names. That is my header, that is my subtext, and that is the text I use in all my writing. So I could click on any of those, and that's the text that every single one of my pieces goes into. And I can extend these, I can make them bigger. It's really easy to just pull and play and work in Canva to make things fit. So I could, pop that out a little bit until it fits. So the number one reason I switched to Canva was the brand board. Why I switched to the Pro, the work version for 10 extra months, that saves all of my colors and all of my text. Saves those colors as soon as you click, boom, there they are. Saves that text, your choices right at the top. The other reason I really switched to the Canva Pro, one thing that you can do in Canva Pro that you can't do in normal Canva is I can grab this file button and I can hit change dimensions. This is not an option in the free version. And I can instantly say, you know what? I don't want this to be a Facebook post. I want it primed for the size that is Twitter optimized. And it does it for me. Or I want this to be the exact size I need for a US letter. Ta-da! And now it's US letter size. Or you know what? Let's go and let's make this the new heading on my Twitter page. Oh, there it is. My cute little picture of me. I would change it, of course, because you should not be the egg. So, the two reasons that the Canva for Work or the more pro version for 10 bucks is amazing is that it saves that brand board with all your colors, and it lets you use this file, this change dimension, so I can drag and change all of these things down and say, it's going to be my Facebook cover. And I can make it instantly my Facebook cover. And you can stretch these things out and do them, but it optimizes the size for you so you know what size template to work with. Canva is amazing. Even that free version has all of their layouts for me to use. These are the Facebook ones right now, but it saves all my designs, all my templates for me. So I can just take a template, I can drag it, I can drop it, and then I could work on, stretching these things out to make them fit to the size that I wanted for each thing. I could go back in and change that text and such. So I really suggest Try out canva.com. It's free. Use it on your blog. Pin it to your Pinterest. Try it for your social media. Go for it.